How about a fantastic baking experience making a classic and decadent dessert like molten chocolate lava cakes? These individual chocolate cakes have a gooey, molten center that oozes out when you cut into them. Here's how to create this delightful baking experience. Ingredients: 4 ounces, 113 grams, semi-sweet chocolate, coarsely chopped. 1/2 cup, 1 stick, unsalted butter. 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 large eggs. 2 large egg yolks. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Additional melted butter and cocoa powder, for greasing and dusting the ramekins. Optional for garnish, powdered sugar, fresh berries, and a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Grease and dust 4 6-ounce ramekins with melted butter and cocoa powder. This step ensures that the cakes release easily. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the semi-sweet chocolate and butter together in 30-second intervals, stirring after each, until smooth. Alternatively, you can melt them in a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, double boiler. Stir in the powdered sugar until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, egg yolks, and vanilla extract until well mixed. Gradually fold the egg mixture into the chocolate mixture until smooth. Gently fold in the all-purpose flour and salt until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared ramekins. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven for about 12–14 minutes. The edges should be set, but the centers will still be soft. Carefully remove the cakes from the oven and let them sit for a minute. This resting time allows the center to stay molten. Run a knife around the edge of each ramekin to loosen the cakes, then invert them onto serving plates. Dust with powdered sugar, top with fresh berries, and serve immediately with a scoop of vanilla ice cream if desired. Enjoy the amazing experience of cutting into these molten chocolate lava cakes and savoring the warm, oozing chocolate center. It's a perfect dessert for a special occasion or a delightful treat anytime.